Hey guys, I'll be teaching you guys on how to easily install WordPress. WordPress is a CMS, which means content management system, which is used in designing blogs and designing pretty good websites. That's for non-coders and for people that know a bit about programming also. But you without skills can easily get a website set up for you. So first step, in my domain registrar, it depends on where you get your hosting from. You can get your hosting from Bluehost, Contabo, Emotion Hosting, but mine is from Namecheap. So the first step, I'll log into my cPanel. Okay, I'm right here on cPanel. And I will scroll down to where I can find WordPress. That's App Installer, or as you can see, Subcalculus App Installer. I'll click on WordPress. Then you can read about WordPress. WordPress is a web software. You can for you guys. I want to read it though. Then you click on Install Now. This is the version of WordPress that I'm gonna install, and you can select, I think, okay, you can select other versions, but we'll go with the latest version. This is my site URL. Let's go back to my site so that you guys can see how the site looks like. This is bestgist.com right now. It's not being run on WordPress. So let's go back. This is the site name, which you can change. Let me change mine to bestgist. And this is the site description. Let's change this to best website for tech. Okay, this is your admin user and your admin password, which you use in logging into your back end and do your pretty stuff there. Let me put the website there. Okay, this is your password. You can change your password, but I'm not changing mine. You can easily take this out and put whatever you want, but I'll leave this one here. And you can select any language of your choice, Arabic, Albania, and all, but we've chosen English. Then you can also add your email, but I'm not doing that. But you can put an email, that's if you want to. So you click on install, and it takes a few seconds, and WordPress will start working perfectly well for you. Okay, voila, we are here. Let's click on the URL, which is https://bestgist.com. As you can see, we have a demo team already. Okay, let's log into our back end of our website. That's administrative URL. You click on it. It takes you directly to WordPress. That is how to install WordPress. And if you want to log out, you can easily log out from WordPress, and you can log in by placing your username and placing your password and click on login. It's pretty easy. Well guys, if you like this video, kindly give us a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification button to get great and amazing videos from us.